In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make name label stickers in Canva. Whether you're organizing school supplies, personalizing gifts, or adding a special touch to your art projects, creating name labels can be both fun and functional. To begin, you'll want to open Canva. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account using your email or social media account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Here, you'll see a wide array of templates, but for our purpose, you'll want to search the term label in the template search bar. This gives you a variety of design options specifically tailored for label making. After selecting the label template that best fits your style, you'll be directed to the Canva editor. This is where all the magic happens. On the left side, you'll find a panel with different elements such as text, photos, and illustrations. Since we're focusing on name labels, click on the text button to add a text box to your label. You can type directly into this box to add the name you want on your stickers. Now, tap into your creative side by choosing a font that matches your aesthetic. Canva offers a plethora of free fonts, each with its own unique feel. Feel free to explore and test different ones until you find the perfect match. Once your text is in place and styled to your liking, it's time to add some extra flair. You can do this by incorporating elements from Canva's library. This could be anything from fun shapes to colorful icons that align with the purpose of your labels. For example, if you're making labels for school supplies, add some whimsical pencils or books. Simply click on the Elements tab, search for the item you'd like, and drag it over to your label. Remember to resize and position these elements as needed to ensure your text remains the focal point. With the design finalized, it's important to ensure your labels are an appropriate size for your intended use. Adjust the dimensions by clicking on the Resize option at the top of the editor. Standard name label dimensions are often around 3 inches by 1 inch, but feel free to modify this based on how you plan to print and use them. Now, for the exciting part, downloading your labels. Click on the Download button in the top right corner of the screen. For optimal print quality, select the PDF print option. This ensures a high resolution so that your labels look crisp and professional. Once downloaded, you're ready for the final step: printing. Make sure your printer settings match the label sheet you're using, and use good quality label paper for best results. And that wraps up our tutorial on making name label stickers in Canva. Remember, the key to great design is personal expression, so have fun with it and make your labels your own. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy customizing your projects with these delightful labels.